Golly, 45 degrees? Oh my goodness. What is up, guys? I am back with another video. It's chilly. The Lexus is right there. It's blurry on purpose. She has some new wheels on her. Let's take a look. No, we're not gonna take a look yet. The first thing, new taillights. Here's the old, quick comparison. Check those bad boys out. So these are JDM lights. I ordered these from Australia. It was actually pretty hard to find, but they look amazing. You guys will see in the installation video a before and after as well. Let's get straight to it. Boom! Shots, 1 second, Papa. 1 second.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite. Nike crossbody, got a piece. Gotta dance, but it's really on some speed. Like Michael Jackson, I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in the trap. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how.
Look at that. Sheesh. Wow. Just changes the look instantly. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Alright, now time to do the trunk lights.
2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 on my brother's block. Pedal off the roads like I love or not. Maybe not. I don't know what's wrong.
Man, this cold is just getting to me, but boom! There we go. The new wheels. Sheesh. Look at those bad boys. Oh man. So I'm sorry guys, unfortunately I couldn't get the video of unboxing these. I lost it, but there they are. These are basically replicas of work wheels. I'm not trying to spend that much money on work wheels, but they look beautiful. One of my favorite designs. Very nicely concaved in the rear, so I'm running 18 by 9.5 wide, so 9.5 inches wide in the rear, and 18 by 8.5, so 8.5 inches in the front, and the offset I believe was 35. So right here in the rear, I mean the fitment is just look at that. I mean it's just perfect. I barely can get I can't even get a finger in there, honest. But I really have not been rubbing at all. The front though, I've been having some issues here. So this trim piece keeps popping out whenever you turn because the tire catches against it. So the problem, these tires are from my the other GS wheels that I had on before, and so in the rear you can see they're like pretty much. Let's see if I can focus this dang thing. Come on, focus. Focus. Oh, there we go. Focus. Alright. So you can see it's pretty stretched. I mean, it's like perfectly stretched. Here, not stretched at all. And I don't like that, so I am going to get different tires in the front. And I'm going to get some spacers as well, just to make it basically perfectly flush. And that should fix our issue. And then I'll have to play around with the height of the car. The rear, I did play around a little bit. So I mean, it's sitting pretty good. The only problem right now, I basically have not been driving the car at all. It needs an alignment, like badly. Front, rear, obviously when you adjust suspension, you gotta align the whole car. Otherwise she's been sitting for way too long. Very dirty. That's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned. I might be away for a while because she's probably gonna be going away for hibernation for the winter. I do not want to drive her in the snow at all, obviously. But hopefully we can get some tires before I put her away for the front. And I got something else coming for this car. Stay tuned.